got this Camry in here for a paint correction. I've already got this car wet sanded. Used the Tri-Zag paper, 3,000 to 8,000. I always go over it with the DA, 3,000 the whole car. Mainly just get the flats with the 8,000 just to kind of give that wool pad a chance. I always use wool, especially after I've sanded something. Try to use my car chem. That's local to us, local body shop supply. You know, I've been buffing for a long time now. So this one came in kind of rough. It's got a lot of stuff soaked down. This is after sanding. It's actually after the white stage, which I'll go into a time lapse of after this video, this clip. But I can't do anything with that. It's soaked in. But compared to what it was, it's just night and day difference already. This is just first stage, which, like I said, I'll show you the time lapse of. Pretty impressed so far. The hood's the worst. This is all soaked down, etched down in the clear. It's after sanding. It's actually after buffing as well. Not much more a guy could do with it without, honestly, refinishing it. It's all soaked down into that clear. So I'll go ahead and go into a time lapse of the first stage. Still got to get some gray on this thing. I try to use only 3M, like I said. So we'll go ahead and go into a time lapse in stage 1. I'll get this thing wiped off, and then we'll get the stage 2 on it and get this thing ceramic coated today. This thing all wiped down. About to start the second stage, but you see how just choppy it looks. That's why we come back with the gray. Second stage. A lot of people don't, and that's why you see the hazy chops. It's all choppy. But we'll get this second stage done. Knock that rest of that haze off. Missed a spot right there. Joe's in there. Joe's in there rocking and rolling with the Jordans on. Ain't much I can do with this hood. Like I said, it's pretty bad. I don't know if that's sap or what, but I'll go ahead and get this second stage rolling. Get this car the hell out of here. It's all buffed, ceramic, slick. This thing came in super rough. So it's after, like I said, sanding, polishing, washing, get all the compound out of it, of course. Hood's okay. Hood was so beat. Can't do anything with any of those spots. buffed out nice. Detail on the inside. We'll get more detail in videos as we go. Super clean. Another one done. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe.